Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail layout in just a few minutes. The full 2026 guide. Gmail updates its interface pretty often, so yeah, I'll walk you through the newest layout settings step by step. All right, let's get into it. So first, just head over to Gmail and log in with your Google account. Pretty standard stuff, nothing fancy here. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens the quick settings panel, and this is where Gmail lets you preview different layouts instantly. Now, under the density section, you'll see options like default, comfortable, and compact. Yeah, these control how spaced out your emails look. Just click through them and you'll see the preview update right away. Scroll down a bit and you'll find inbox type. Here you can switch to priority inbox, important first, unread first, or just stick with the classic layout if that's your thing. Each one rearranges your emails based on what you choose. If you want to read emails without opening new pages, turn on the reading pane. You can set it to show on the right or at the bottom. So yeah, this is super helpful if you like a split view layout. If you want to go deeper, click See All Settings. At the top of the panel, that takes you to the full settings page where you can customize things like themes, categories, and even how threads expand. Feel free to explore a bit. Gmail keeps everything pretty organized. And that's pretty much it. You've just updated your Gmail layout using all the latest 2026 options. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching.